stem cell therapy for your pet. It's now affordable with multiple benefits. Learn what it can do for your pet and the important questions you need to ask your vet.
He had severe arthritis of his back legs. He's a Great Pyrenees, sweet.
He's processing the stem cells on site and activating them.
She's having stem cell regenerative therapy, a procedure giving pets a second chance.
Medivet America now has come out with a process that veterinarians...
These animals are like our children. You know, they're always dependent on us, but they give us unconditional love back. And so it's that bond, it just grows on you. For the first time in my career, in my life, the humans are kind of the lab rats for the animals. They're doing all of this research around the globe on humans, and now it's trickling down to our animals because this is a procedure, this isn't a drug, this is all natural. Stem cell regenerative therapy is taking out the body's repair cells. That's basically what stem cells are. They're there to repair the body when it's harmed, degeneration. Aging is a degenerative process, so as we get older, our stem cells decrease because they're always repairing. So what we're doing is we're harvesting some of those sleeping stem cells, if you will, that are inside the fat, and then we're sending them back in the bucket loads to repair. We're trying to raise up the amount of stem cells in the inflamed areas so that we can get some healing done. First thing I see when the owners come into the office with their pet is they have questions, and their questions are, could stem cells help my pet's problem? Dr. Mike, if you can reduce my animal's pain, I want to do it. And that is enough, and that's how I feel too. We don't want them to exist in pain. That's a reasonable expectation, and I expect that pain to be reduced dramatically when I treat these animals with stem cells. And I have trouble restraining my exuberance.
He used to hesitate quite a bit before he would take those couple of steps to get into the house. Okay. He doesn't do that hesitation anymore. Okay, he's there and he's in.
On a pain scale from 0 to 5, 0 being no pain, 5 being severe pain, what would you
got? No pain.
I don't think that's
anything. Medical procedure that is saving pets from pain and suffering with the help of their own cells.
This is very cool. Before and after video of dogs struggling to walk, then moving as if they've sipped from the fountain of youth is gaining attention around the country. Mike Holfeld has been looking into this, and Mike, this really works, doesn't it?
It really is something.
Come on. Come on.
5 months ago, this little Shih Tzu could barely move her back legs.
Come here.
Watch. 8-year-old Amy's joints were crippled by arthritis, and her owner had given up hope.
I couldn't see her suffering anymore, so I went to go put her to sleep, and that's when they told me about the stem cell therapy.
Amy's struggle with osteoarthritis was obvious the day doctors documented her arrival on July 13th. This is the same dog, just 30 days after undergoing a procedure that actually regenerated her damaged joints and cartilage. The before and after cases documented offer compelling evidence that it does work.
It's providing a new life for these pets that otherwise they wouldn't have.
It should smooth this out and lay down a new surface here.
MRI studies are underway now to document cartilage growth in the knee joints of the dogs. I know it sounds like sci-fi, folks, but it really is happening, and they say seeing is believing. You saw that video, guys. It's just incredible.
It seemed like overnight, Molly was crippled by arthritis.
Her eyes would tell you the story. You know, as she would start to go up the steps, she would round the corner, and about the second or third step, her rear legs would just go out, and she would look at you with a helpless look.
Molly was not responding to any treatments, and when the Beck's vet, Dr. Mike Hutchinson, saw how rapidly Molly was deteriorating,
This thigh muscle here on the right side is a little bit thinner than the thigh muscle on the left side.
he suggested something they had never heard of, something that astounded them: stem cell regenerative therapy.
This is a new tool to veterinarians. There's about 2,500 veterinarians around the United States that are doing these therapies.
A surgical team removes fat tissue from Molly's body. Millions of stem cells are then removed from the fat. The cells are activated, then injected back into the affected area. Dr. Hutchinson says many dogs appear to be in less pain in a matter of days.
I was a little skeptical at first, but it actually seemed to be our last resort to have Molly be out of pain.
Well, everything went really well. You know, I got to meet all the principals of Medivet, and their mission is to help millions of animals to relieve the suffering that they're going through from osteoarthritis, from ligament injuries, and one day soon from internal medicine problems. They have all of these natural products, and my favorite being the stem cell kits, because I can apply these to animals and repair diseases that I didn't think I could help before. You know, the most wonderful part is seeing that owner's face. When I say to them, when I'm seeing that dog doing so much better on day 30, and I'm looking at them, or day 60, I'm looking at owners, and they're telling me, Dr. Mike, my dog looks 5 years younger to us. He's running around, he's doing this. One of my favorite questions is, how does that make you feel? Most of the time, they don't have the words. The tears start. That's how it makes them feel. Hard to describe.
So, no, that's...
We're so grateful. We
No,
are
I'm
so
so
grateful.
happy. Yes.
Stem cell therapy for your pet. It's not just research. With Medivet America, it's a reality. Talk to your vet today.